In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Grok AI into your personal tutor. We're going to walk through a simple process to set up Grok AI so it can guide you through topics like math, science, coding, writing, and more. To begin, open the official Grok AI website in your browser, or access Grok through the X app on your device. If you're using X, make sure you're signed in so you can reach the Grok interface. Once you're in, look for the chat area. This is where you'll type your questions and requests, and where all the tutoring will happen. Go ahead and open the chat. Think of it like a conversation window with a knowledgeable tutor that's ready 24/7. Before you type, decide on the subject you want help with. Be specific if you can, something like algebra equations, Python loops, a literature analysis, or basic physics. The clearer your topic, the better the guidance you'll get. By the way, to make this easy, I've placed the official website link and the download link if you're using the app version right at the top of the description. Use those to jump straight in without hunting around. Now, tell Grok exactly how you want it to help. A great way to start is with a prompt like, "Be my personal tutor for this subject," or "Teach me this topic step by step." You can also set expectations, such as asking for beginner-friendly explanations, short summaries after each concept, or periodic practice questions. From here, start learning by asking focused questions one at a time. For example, "Can you explain this concept in simple terms?" Or, "Show me an example and then give me a practice problem." After Grok responds, try the problem yourself, then ask it to check your work and explain any mistakes. If you need more clarity, request a different example, a visual description, or a real-world analogy to make it click. As you continue, adjust the pace to match your comfort level. Ask Grok to slow down, simplify the language, or break the topic into smaller chunks. If you're ready to test yourself, say, "Quiz me with 5 questions and then review my answers." You can also ask for a quick recap at the end of a session and a short plan for what to study next. Consider keeping a notes document where you paste key explanations and exercises so you can revisit them later. That's how you can turn Grok AI into a personal tutor and start learning at your own pace. Thanks for watching.